Most drivers normally know one major sign of wheel alignment, car pulling off on one side. But there are others that you might be ignoring as well, and at the end will cost your tires. Here are 10 signs your car's alignment is off. Studies from repair shops show 7 out of 10 drivers miss early warning signs, leading to $400 to $1,200 tire damage before they even notice. And sign number 3 is the most dangerous. Attend to it immediately. Let's go. Number 10. Uneven steering feel. Sometimes the first sign is not loud or obvious, it's subtle. You turn the wheel left and it feels normal. Then you turn right and something feels slightly different, a bit tighter, a bit looser. Almost like the car is not responding the same way on both sides. That uneven feeling is a warning. Your steering system is supposed to feel balanced. Both sides should react the same when you move the wheel. When alignment is off, one wheel can start pointing a little differently than the other. It changes how the car reacts in your hands. You might notice it more in small turns, like parking or pulling out of a driveway. The car may feel lazy in one direction and more sensitive in the other. Most drivers ignore it because the car is still moving fine. But the difference is already there. This usually happens after normal wear, hitting rough roads, or small impacts you don't even remember. The suspension shifts just enough to throw things off balance. It does not always cause pulling yet. That's why it gets missed. But here's the truth. If your steering does not feel the same on both sides, your alignment is already starting to drift. Catching it here can stop tire damage before it gets expensive. Number 9. Slight pulling on flat roads. This one is easy to miss because it starts small. You're driving on a straight, flat road. You relax your grip for a second. The car slowly starts to drift left or right. Not fast, not scary, just a quiet pull like the road is gently pushing it away. That is not normal. A properly aligned car should move straight without help. If it keeps shifting to one side, something underneath is no longer balanced. One wheel may be pointing a little inward or outward compared to the others. Even a tiny angle change can create a steady pull at speed. Here is what makes this tricky. Many drivers blame the road, or wind, or even tires. And sometimes they are right. But when the pull keeps happening on different roads, that is the real warning. You may also notice you are always holding the steering wheel slightly turned, just to keep straight. That extra effort builds up over time, and you don't even realize it. It feels minor at first, but it forces your tires to drag instead of roll cleanly. That is where uneven wear begins. A simple check can confirm it quickly, but ignoring it means the problem slowly gets worse every time you drive. Number 8. Steering wheel feels off-center. This sign confuses a lot of drivers because the car still drives fine. You're going straight down the road, but your steering wheel is not straight. It sits a little tilted. Maybe it leans left or right. Just enough for you to notice, but not enough to feel like a big problem. That is a classic alignment clue. Your steering wheel is supposed to match your wheel direction when driving straight. When it doesn't, it usually means the front wheels are not pointing in the same exact direction anymore. One side is slightly ahead or behind the other. So the car can still go forward, but the steering wheel is no longer centered in the middle of that balance. Here's the part most people ignore. They get used to it. They start driving with the wheel slightly crooked and don't think twice. But your car is now correcting itself in a weird position every time you drive straight. That extra correction slowly affects tire wear and steering response. It also makes the car feel less stable over time. A quick test is simple. Find a straight road, hold the wheel lightly, and check where it naturally sits. If it's not centered, your alignment is already off balance. Number 7. Tires wearing unevenly. This is one of the clearest signs, but many drivers only notice it when it's too late. Look at your tires, not just the outside. Check the whole surface. Run your hand across the tread. Does one side feel smoother than the other? Does one edge look more worn down? That is uneven tire wear. When your alignment is off, your tires stop touching the road evenly. One side may carry more weight or drag more than the other. Over time, that side wears out faster. The tire starts to lean into the road instead of rolling flat. You might hear people say, "My tires just don't last." But in many cases, it is not the tire's fault. It is the angle they are sitting at every time the car moves. There is also a pattern to watch for. If both front tires wear on the inside edges or both wear on the outside edges, that strongly points to alignment issues. It is not random wear. It is a direction problem. Uneven tires don't just wear faster, they also reduce grip. That means longer braking distance and less control in wet roads. If your tires are not wearing evenly, your alignment is already affecting safety, not just comfort. Number 6. Squealing tires in normal turns. Tires should be quiet in normal driving. You should only hear them when you push the car hard or take a sharp corner fast. So if your tires start squealing during simple, slow turns, something is not right. It often sounds like a quick squeak when you turn into a parking spot or move through a roundabout. The road is not rough, you are not speeding. But the tires still complain. That noise is a warning. When alignment is off, your tires don't roll cleanly through a turn. Instead, they scrub against the road. It's like the tire is being forced slightly sideways instead of smoothly rotating with the curve. That friction creates the squeal. Most drivers think it is just old tires or cold weather. But if it keeps happening in normal conditions, it is usually geometry, not age. You may also notice it happens more on one side than the other. That can point to one wheel having a worse angle than the rest. That constant scrubbing does not just make noise. It also heats the tire unevenly and wears it down faster, especially on the edges. So if your car is squealing in everyday turns, it is not just being loud. It is telling you that your wheels are not tracking the road correctly anymore. Number 5. Loose or wandering steering. You're on the highway. The road is straight, but your car does not feel steady in your hands. It feels light, a bit loose, like it is floating instead of locking into a straight line. You keep making small corrections, left, then right, then left again. Not big moves, just constant tiny fixes to keep it straight. That is wandering steering. When alignment is off, the front wheels stop agreeing on where straight is. So instead of tracking forward cleanly, the car starts to hunt for direction. It moves slightly off course, and you have to keep catching it. It can feel like wind is pushing you, even on a calm day, or like the road has invisible grooves pulling you around. This is more than just annoying, it drains focus. Long drives become tiring because your brain never fully relaxes. You are always correcting. This does not always come with noise or vibration, so drivers assume everything is fine, but the stability is already gone. If your car feels like it cannot hold a straight line without constant steering input, your alignment is no longer precise. It is already drifting into a safety issue. Number 4. Steering wheel vibration. This one usually shows up on the highway. You're driving at a steady speed, maybe 60 or 70. Everything feels normal at first. Then, the steering wheel starts to shake. Not violently, just a steady vibration in your hands. You slow down, it fades, you speed up, it may come back again. That pattern is important. A lot of drivers assume this always means alignment, but that is not always true. It can also come from tire balance, worn suspension parts, or uneven tire wear. Still, alignment is often part of the problem when the vibration feels like the car is not tracking perfectly straight. Here is what is happening in simple terms. If your wheels are not pointing exactly in the same direction, the tires do not roll smoothly together. Instead, they fight the road at high speed. That conflict creates a shake you feel through the steering wheel. It often feels worse on smooth highways where you expect the ride to be clean. That is when the small misalignment becomes noticeable. Another clue is timing. If the vibration shows up at a specific speed range and disappears outside that range, your wheels are reacting to balance and alignment forces together. Do not ignore it. Because once vibration starts, it usually means uneven stress is already building across your tires and steering system. Number 3. You recently hit a pothole or curb. This is one of the most important signs because it does not start with a feeling. It starts with an event. You hit a pothole, or you clip a curb while parking. Maybe it was fast. Maybe it felt small. You drove away and thought, it's fine. But that impact can change your alignment instantly. Here is the problem. Your suspension is built to absorb hits, but it is not immune. Even a moderate U-turn can shift your wheel angles by a tiny amount. You will not see it. You will not hear it. But your tires now sit at a slightly different direction than before. At first, the car may feel normal. That is what makes this dangerous. Alignment damage does not always show up immediately. It builds slowly over the next few days or weeks. You might start noticing small changes. The steering feels a bit off. The car does not glide straight like it used to. Or your steering wheel starts sitting slightly crooked without you adjusting it. Many drivers ignore this moment because there is no obvious warning, no noise, no breakdown, just a normal drive after an impact. But this is exactly when alignment problems begin. If you have hit a pothole or curb recently, do not wait for symptoms to get worse. That single moment is enough to knock your wheels out of proper position and start uneven tire wear before you even realize it. Number 2. rapid or uneven tire wear after new tires. New tires should feel like a reset for your car. Everything should be smooth, quiet, and even. So when new tires start wearing out fast, something is wrong. If you notice one side of the tire going bald quicker than the rest, that is a big red flag. It should not happen on fresh rubber. New tires are built to wear evenly if everything underneath them is correct. But when alignment is off, the tire does not sit flat on the road. One edge carries more pressure, one section drags more, so instead of wearing down evenly, the tire starts eating itself from one side. This can happen surprisingly fast, sometimes in just a few weeks of driving. Here's what makes it frustrating. Most people blame the tire brand, or they think they got a bad batch. But in reality, the problem is not the tire, it is the angle it is being forced to roll at every day. Another clue is matching wear. If both front tires start showing the same uneven pattern at the same time, that strongly points to alignment, not random damage. This is also the stage where money starts disappearing quickly, because once wear starts, it does not stop. It only gets worse until the angles are corrected. If new tires are already wearing unevenly, your alignment is no longer a small issue. It is actively destroying your investment. Number 1. Your car feels different on straight roads. This is the one most drivers cannot explain. Nothing looks wrong, no clear noise, no warning light, but something just feels off when you drive. Your car does not glide like it used to. It feels slightly heavier in one moment, then lighter in another. You may find yourself correcting the steering more often without even thinking about it. The road is straight, but the car does not feel fully settled. That is the key sign. When alignment is perfect, driving straight feels almost effortless. The car tracks forward like it is locked into a line. But when angles are off, even slightly, that balance disappears. The tires stop working together and the road starts feeling uneven through the steering. This is why so many drivers ignore it. There is no single obvious symptom. It is just a feeling, and most people assume it is normal. But it is not. Modern suspensions are very precise. Even a small shift in wheel angles can change how the entire car behaves at speed. That's why the difference shows up first in how the car feels, not what you see. If your car no longer feels smooth and stable on a straight road, even after everything else checks out, that is your final warning. Your alignment is no longer in balance, and the system is already working against itself. That is why this final sign is so important. Because sometimes, all the checks look normal. No obvious wear, no loud noises, nothing dramatic. But the car still does not feel right on the road. And when that happens, you do not need another guess. You need a real-world test that tells you the truth in seconds. The simple, straight road release test. Here's a quick test. Most drivers never try, but it tells you a lot. Find a flat, empty road with little traffic. Get your car up to a steady speed, around 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. Keep both hands lightly on the wheel. Now, for just 2 to 3 seconds, gently relax your grip. Do not turn the wheel. Do not force anything. Just see what the car naturally does. A properly aligned car will keep moving straight with very little change. But if your car starts drifting quickly to one side, or the steering wheel shifts on its own, that is a strong sign your alignment is off. Here's what makes this test powerful. It does not rely on sound, vibration, or tire inspection. It shows you what the car is doing in real time on the road. Also, watch how it returns when you take your hands back. If the wheel feels pulled off center, or you have to correct it hard just to get straight again, that is another warning. One important note, do this safely. Always keep your attention on the road and be ready to take control immediately. Don't ignore the small changes. They grow into big problems fast. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video below.